We're at the Huffines Collision Center in Plano, and we're joined by Joey Walker, who is the manager here. Joey, thanks for taking time to visit with us.
Thank you for coming by.
Absolutely. So we have some questions for you. First, can you tell us what people are supposed to do when they get into an accident?
Well, once they've had an accident, the first thing to do is verify that you're okay and everybody in the accident scene is okay. From there, at that point, contact the police department, and then after the police has been out and everything's been taken care of at that point, then what you want to do is contact your insurance company. And they will file a claim for you, and then you can contact us with the claim information and we can help you throughout the rest of the series from there.
So once a customer has already made their insurance claim after the accident, what do they do when they get here to the body shop?
Well, what they'll be doing is they'll come in and they'll be greeted by one of my estimators, and they will take them and walk them through the steps on how the repairs will begin and how everything will run with the insurance company and help them get into their rental car.
So how long does this full process take once the customer gets here?
That can vary by the severity of the vehicle and the damages, but we do have a repair tracker system that will give them constant updates by either email or text messaging or both if they prefer.
That's great. And where exactly are you located?
Our physical address is 1001 Coit Road, Plano, Texas. That's the northwest corner of Coit and Plano Parkway, and we sit directly behind the Chevrolet Service Drive.
All right, Joey, thank you so much for speaking with us. If you have any other questions, you can, of course, call the number shown below on your screen.